Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can enable the glance function or feature in the Zen browser on desktop computer or laptop in 2026. So let us dive into this. So let me open up the Zen browser and switch to this space here. And what you need to do, guys, is navigate to your browser settings. To access these, click into these three dots, select settings here. Now in your settings, navigate to look and feel. And here you will see the theme settings as well as glance. So you may enable it here. You may also, if you just re-enable them, you may get asked by Zen to restart or restart it later. And you may also assign a shortcut here, like one of these three here. And that's basically it, guys. So to save these changes, make sure that you restart the Zen browser sooner or later once you have check this checkbox here. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we catch you later.